The world of extras. Without extras, most film and TV scenes would be empty and unrealistic. But while we're obsessed with movie stars, we never hear much about the extras because, of course, that's their job, not to be noticed. So, what is the world of extras really like? They have to be patient. Days on the set can be very long, sometimes lasting more than 15 hours. A lot of that time is spent just sitting around, waiting to be used in a scene or repeating a single shot a dozen times. Extras usually spend their waiting time reading or playing cards. There are days you get to the set and you wait and wait, but you aren't used, says Amy Rogers, a regular extra in TV shows, including Homeland. They need to be good at miming. Extras often need to make a scene appear alive and busy, while at the same time remaining totally silent so as not to interfere with the actor's dialogue. This means they have to pretend to have a conversation without actually making any noise. Also, dance scenes are often filmed in silence, and the music is added in later. When a crowd scene was being filmed for the movie Jersey Girl, the extras had to pretend to clap and cheer. But it was all done in silence, and when they clapped, their hands never touched. They have to put up with all kinds of weather. Sometimes, when a winter scene is being filmed and all the extras are wearing thick jackets and hats and gloves, it's actually 30 degrees and the snow is fake. You can tell whether it's really cold if you can see the breath coming out of people's mouths. Also, when scenes are being filmed inside during the summer, the air conditioning has to be turned off because of the noise. They have to be able to keep secrets. Phones aren't allowed on set, and photos are strictly forbidden. While the film Insurgent was being made, one extra took a photo of the set and posted it online. Since then, she has never been employed as an extra again. They are extremely expensive. Although extras aren't individually very well paid, a film with a lot of extras needs a big production budget, especially in Britain. The cost of extras is one of the reasons why epics such as Ben-Hur are largely a thing of the past. Gandhi was the last one. The funeral scene alone needed 300,000 extras. This is why now a lot of British films are being shot in countries where extras are paid less, for example, in Eastern Europe. Sometimes they are not real. Nowadays, where possible, crowds are digitized. In Gladiator, they used 2,000 live actors to create a digital crowd of about 35,000 people. For some of the crowd scenes, in addition to the real life extras and the digital ones, they also used cutouts made of cardboard. But digital extras can look fake, and cardboard extras can look very two-dimensional, particularly if the camera moves. The latest thing is inflatable extras, which look more real. They can be deflated, stored. A crowd of 10,000 can fit into one large truck and reused. They can't watch films like ordinary people. Once you know how a movie has been filmed, It's hard to just watch it like any other person. I can't watch TV anymore without looking at the extras to see who's doing it right and who's doing it wrong," said one extra.